Welcome to Easy English Conversations, where you can listen, practice, and feel more confident speaking English. Hi, everyone, and welcome. I'm Nikki, and I'm here with Dan. Hi, Dan. How are you today?
Hi, Nikki. I am doing well, thank you. It's good to be here. How are you?
I'm very well, thanks. Today, I thought we could talk about something everyone experiences small, everyday problems.
Oh, that's a great topic. Those little things that can make you feel so frustrated.
Exactly. Like this morning, for example. Did anything happen to you?
Yes, actually. It's funny you ask. I was making my morning coffee, still half asleep. I picked up the full cup and the coffee spilled all over the kitchen counter. It went everywhere.
Oh no, that is not a good way to start the day. Coffee is so important in the morning.
It is. For a moment, I just stood there and felt so annoyed. I thought, really? Already? But then I just took a slow breath, got a cloth, and cleaned it all up. And I made a new cup of coffee.
That's the best way to handle it. Your story reminds me of my morning. I was ready to leave my house, but I couldn't find my keys. I looked on the table, by the door, in my bag, everywhere.
That feeling of panic is the worst. You need to leave, but you're stuck.
It is. My heart started beating a little faster. I thought I might be late. After looking for 5 minutes, I found them. They were in my coat pocket from yesterday.
Ah, of course. It's always in the last place you look. It's interesting how a small problem, like losing keys, can feel so big in that moment.
It really is. You mentioned being late. That reminds me, do you have a story about being late for something important?
Oh, yes, I have a perfect story for this. A few months ago, I was meeting a good friend for lunch. It was a special occasion, his birthday. I was on the bus, almost at the restaurant. I reached into my pocket to check my phone, and I realized my wallet was not there.
Oh, that is a terrible feeling. What did you do?
Well, first, I felt that moment of panic, just like you with your keys. I checked all my pockets, my bag, nothing. I knew I had left it on my table at home. So I had to press the button, get off the bus, and wait for another bus going the opposite direction back to my house.
So you had to go all the way back home. That must have taken a long time.
It did. By the time I got home, got my wallet, and then took the bus back to the restaurant, I was almost 40 minutes late. I felt so bad.
Was your friend upset with you?
No, not at all. I called him from the bus to explain. When I finally arrived, he was just sitting there, reading a book. He smiled and said, "Don't worry, these things happen to everyone." And he was so calm, it made me feel calm too.
What a good friend. It's so true. Those things do happen. It reminds me of a time I was on a train. I was reading a really good book and I was completely lost in the story. I was so focused on my book that I didn't hear the announcement for my stop.
You miss your stop?
I did. When I finally looked up, I saw the sign for the next town. My heart dropped. I thought, oh no, now I have to get off and wait for a train going back. But when I got off at the next station, I realized it was a beautiful sunny day.
So, what did you decide to do?
Well, I looked at the map on my phone and saw that my home was only a 30-minute walk from there, through a park. So instead of waiting for another train, I decided to walk. It turned a frustrating mistake into a lovely, unexpected walk in the sun.
That's such a great story, Nikki. I'm curious, do you often find that small problems can lead to good things if you stay calm?
Yes, I think so. It doesn't happen every time, of course. Sometimes a spilled coffee is just a spilled coffee. But I do think that when we choose to react calmly, we open up the possibility for something good to happen. We give ourselves a chance to see a new path, like my walk through the park. If I had been angry and just waited for the train, I would have missed it.
That's a wonderful way to turn a problem into something positive. I like that. A problem with technology can be difficult too. Just last week, I sent a text message to the wrong person.
Oh, that can be very embarrassing. Who did you send it to?
Well, it was a funny message meant for my brother, but I accidentally sent it to my boss.
Oh my, was it okay?
Luckily, yes. My face went red when I realized. I immediately sent another text saying, "Sorry, that was from my brother." My boss just replied with a smiley face emoji, so it was okay, but for a minute, I was so embarrassed.
Oh no, just a moment.
What is it, Nikki? Is everything all right?
Oh no, I just got a text. It's my dog, Leo. The daycare says he is sick. I need to go get him. I feel so worried right now.
Oh, Nikki, I'm so sorry. Of course you should go. We can stop recording. The most important thing is your dog. Please don't worry about this.
Thank you, Dan, but what if it's serious? I don't know what to do. Oh, wait, they're calling me now. Hello? Oh, thank goodness. Oh, wow. Okay, I'm okay. Oh my goodness, you won't believe it. That was the daycare. They made a mistake. There are two dogs named Leo there today, and it was the other Leo who was sick. My Leo is perfectly fine.
Oh, wow. I am so glad he's okay. My heart was beating fast for you.
Wow, that feeling was awful. For about a minute, my whole world felt like it was ending because I was so worried. That was a small problem that felt so big. It's a perfect example of what we're talking about.
It really is. And I am so glad that everything is okay. But you're right. That's a perfect real life example of our topic today. A sudden problem that created a very strong, worried feeling. I'm still thinking about what happened with Leo. It's amazing how quickly our emotions can change from fear to relief. In a single moment, everything changes.
Yes, absolutely. Our minds can create a whole story in just a few seconds. My mind went to the worst place, and all of that worry was for nothing. It really shows that even when a problem feels huge, the reality is often much simpler and not so scary. That's a relief. It's so interesting listening to these stories. Spilling coffee, losing keys, forgetting a wallet, missing a train. They all feel so stressful in the moment.
They do. They feel like the biggest deal. But when we look back, they are just small moments. They don't ruin the whole day.
I think you're right, and I think how we react is the most important part. Like you with the coffee, you took a breath and just cleaned it up. Or me with the train, I decided to enjoy a walk.
Exactly. A calm reaction can make all the difference. Panicking or getting angry doesn't solve the problem, it just makes us feel worse.
That is such a good point. A small problem is just that, small. So our reaction should also be small and calm.
It's a good reminder for everyday life and for learning English too. We make small mistakes, but we can stay calm and just try again.
You know, that reminds me of another kind of small problem. Not one you cause yourself, but one that just happens. Like last week, I went to my favorite little bakery to buy bread. That's a perfect connection, Dan. So, for everyone listening, remember that small problems happen. It's okay. Don't let them ruin your day. Take a breath and find a calm solution.
That's wonderful advice. This was a really nice chat, Nikki.
I enjoyed it too. Now, before we finish, let's do some shadowing practice. This is a great way to practice your speaking. I will say a sentence, then you can repeat the sentence with Dan. Are you ready? Let's start. I spilled coffee everywhere.
I spilled coffee everywhere.
I can't find my keys.
I can't find my keys.
I left my wallet at home.
I left my wallet at home.
I missed my train stop.
I missed my train stop.
I sent a text to the wrong person.
I sent a text to the wrong person.
It's just a small problem.
It's just a small problem.
These things happen to everyone.
These things happen to everyone.
Stay calm and take a deep breath.
Stay calm and take a deep breath.
That's wonderful practice. Thank you so much for joining us for Easy English Conversations. We hope to see you next time. Goodbye.